Thinking about buying a car but stuck choosing between CVT and automatic? Let's clear up the confusion and help you make the right call. First off, what's the real difference? CVT stands for Continuously Variable Transmission. It uses a belt and pulley system instead of traditional gears, so instead of feeling your car shift, it's more like a smooth elevator ride. No steps, just one continuous motion. Traditional automatic? Well, it's like walking up a staircase. You feel each step as it shifts between set gears, 4-speed, 6-speed, and so on. Some folks love that feeling of the car shifting, others prefer the seamless glide of a CVT. So, let's talk pros and cons. CVT gives super smooth acceleration, better fuel efficiency, and has fewer moving parts, which means less can go wrong, at least in theory. Downside, it can feel a bit rubbery or less sporty, and if something goes wrong, repairs can get expensive. We're talking $2 to $5 grand for a replacement in some cases. Now, automatics, what do they bring to the table? They feel more powerful, more responsive, and have been around forever. Plus, more mechanics know how to fix them, and repairs are usually easier on the wallet. The flip side, you feel each gear change, they use more fuel, and have more complex components to maintain. What about maintenance costs? For a CVT, fluid changes will set you back around $150, $300, but replacements can be pricey, up to $5,000 for some models. Automatics are a bit cheaper for routine service, about $100, $200, and rebuilds usually range from $1,000 to $3,500. So, which is right for you? If you mostly cruise around the city and want maximum comfort and fuel savings, CVT is probably your match. But if you crave that classic drive feel, want more performance, or need something that's easier to repair, automatic is your go-to. Both gearboxes have their place. CVT is efficient and smooth, automatics bring that punchy, familiar drive. Which one would you pick, smooth CVT or punchy automatic? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.